Are engine additives miracle cures or marketing hype? You've probably seen those bold ads claiming engine additives can boost fuel economy by 20%, restore lost horsepower, or make your engine run like new. But are these products worth your hard-earned money, or are they just clever marketing tricks? In this guide, we'll reveal the top 10 engine additives that actually work, backed by science and trusted by mechanics, and expose 5 scams that could harm your engine. 10 engine additives that actually work. Ready to unlock the secrets mechanics and engineers swear by? The world of engine additives isn't just about smoother rides, it's about protecting your investment mile after mile. From reducing wear to boosting fuel economy, these proven solutions can transform an ordinary engine into a longer-lasting, better-performing machine. Ever heard of Liqui Moly anti-friction engine treatment? This German favorite has been trusted by taxi fleets for over a decade, and for good reason. Using molybdenum disulfide, MOS2, it creates a microscopic shield inside your engine, reducing metal-to-metal friction. Less friction means less wear, lower engine temperatures, and even better fuel economy. If you own a high-mileage or aging vehicle, adding this during oil changes is like giving your engine a second life. When it comes to versatility, seafoam motor treatment is a mechanic's secret weapon. Unlike harsh chemicals, its petroleum-based formula gently cleans injectors, carburetor jets, and intake valves while lubricating upper cylinders. It dissolves stubborn carbon buildup, restoring efficiency across the board. Add it to your fuel tank, crankcase, or vacuum line, and watch the magic happen. Just be sure to follow the instructions. DIY mechanics love it because it works almost anywhere. Since 1923, drivers have trusted Marvel Mystery Oil, and the legacy continues today. This detergent lubricant blend isn't just for cars, it's a go-to for aircraft, diesel engines, and classic cars. It prevents varnish, unsticks valves, and restores smooth performance to older engines. Got sticky components or sludge issues? If your driving style pushes vehicles to the limit, BGMOA Motor Oil Additive is your ally. Certified by the American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, it stabilizes oil viscosity under stress, neutralizes harmful acids, and reduces deposits that shorten engine life. Mechanics recommend it for anyone facing tough conditions, whether that's stop-and-go traffic or long highway hauls. High mileage means extra care, and Lucas Heavy-Duty Oil Stabilizer is built for the task. It slightly thickens oil, protecting worn seals, reducing engine noise, and cutting down on oil consumption. If your odometer reads over 100,000 miles, this additive is a garage essential, especially for older trucks and classics prone to leaks and dry starts. Want proven horsepower gains? Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel System Cleaner delivers. Independent tests show it can improve fuel economy by 3.2% while reducing emissions and restoring lost horsepower. Using it every 3,000–5,000 miles keeps gas engines running at peak performance, a reason it's a favorite among performance enthusiasts. Diesel drivers, take note. Arcoil AR9100 friction modifier is legendary in PowerStroke 6.0 circles. Its boron-based formula fixes cold start injector issues, reduces stiction, and quiets noisy engines. For trucks facing injector problems, this isn't just an additive, it's a game-changer trusted by diesel pros. Sludge and sticky lifters don't stand a chance against Rislone engine treatment. This dispersant-based formula cleans carbon from seals, improves oil flow, and revives older engines plagued by noise and poor circulation. Mechanics often recommend it as a rescue treatment for high-mileage vehicles that sound like they're on their last legs. For a clean combustion system, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus leads the way. Using polyetheramine, PEA, it scrubs deposits from injectors and combustion chambers with precision. Safe for both gas and hybrid engines, it restores lost power when used every few thousand miles, making it a smart long-term maintenance choice. Finally, when your car crosses 75,000 miles, STP high-mileage oil treatment comes to the rescue. Formulated with zinc, ZDP, and viscosity boosters, it conditions seals, reduces oil burn-off, and extends engine life on a budget. From German-engineered precision to classic American formulas, these additives aren't gimmicks. They're proven tools that keep engines alive and thriving. The question is, which one will you trust for your next 50,000 miles? 5 engine additives to avoid. Think all additives are miracle workers? Think again. The automotive market is full of products that promise big results but often deliver nothing but disappointment, or worse, engine damage. Take Teflon-based oil additives like Slick 50. They claim to coat engine parts with a friction-free layer, but research from NASA and the FTC proves PTFE particles don't bond to metal and can clog filters, choking your engine instead of saving it. Then there are so-called engine rebuilders, which thicken oil to hide leaks and boost compression temporarily. Sounds good, but it's just a cosmetic fix that speeds up wear and tear. Don't be fooled by magnetic oil drain plugs marketed as miracle additives either. While they catch a few large shavings, they do nothing for chemical contaminants or soft metals, so they're hardly the engine savior they claim to be. Over-the-counter octane boosters are another cash grab, with most raising octane by only 1-2 points, instead of the wild claims of double-digit gains. And the most outrageous scam? Water-to-gasoline additives. The idea that water can be turned into fuel is pure fantasy with zero scientific backing. When to use engine additives? Additives aren't miracle workers, but when used wisely, they can extend engine life and boost performance. They're especially helpful if your car has over 100,000 miles, struggles with carbon buildup, rough idles, or cold starts, or if you often use ethanol-heavy fuels like E10 or E15. They also suit older, out-of-warranty vehicles. However, avoid them if your car is still under warranty, suffering major mechanical issues, or already running on high-quality synthetic oil. Think of additives like vitamins. They support, not replace, good maintenance. How to choose quality additives? Don't get fooled by flashy marketing. Your engine deserves better. The smartest way to pick additives is by checking for real testing standards like ASTM, ISO, or SAE. Proven ingredients matter too, such as PEA for fuel cleaning, and MOS2 or ZDDP for reducing friction. Transparency is key, so avoid anything without clear labeling or MSDS. And remember, bold miracle claims are red flags. Stick with trusted names like Liqui-Moly, Seafoam, and Chevron. In conclusion, now you know the top 10 engine additives that can save your engine and the 5 scams to avoid. Have you tried any of these? Share your experience in the comments to help other drivers. If this guide saved you from wasting money or inspired you to try a proven additive, give it a thumbs up and share it. The right additive could be the key to hitting 300,000 miles. Drive smart and keep your engine happy. Found this video helpful? Tap the bell, share your thoughts in the comments, and thanks for watching.